All right, gonna show some love to the old F-150 today. She's got a check engine light on, so let's go figure out what it is and what it's gonna take to fix it. All right, so when we scan it, we got a P0131, which is oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. So I'm gonna get this puppy up in the air and I will show you which one that is. Okay, back here with the truck in the air now. So for P0131 all the way through P0135, I believe, it is bank 1 sensor 1. So you look, we're on the passenger side here, right? So passenger side, that's driver side. Straight up from underneath, you can see the O2 sensor right there. And the plug, if you follow it back, it runs on top of the transmission. We'll see if I can do this with the limited amount of hands and light I have, but it runs right up behind here. So that is the plug right there. I don't really know how I'm gonna unplug that yet. I think I'm just gonna have to reach my hand up there and do it by feel. But yeah, that's the sensor we're looking for. If you're looking for bank 1 sensor 2, it's further back, post catalytic converter, or in it right there. Bank 2 sensor 1 is right up there, the easiest one to get to, no doubt. And there's sensor 2 on bank 2. So that's where all 4 of them are located. We're after sensor 1, bank 1. So I'm gonna grab the tools and get this puppy out of there, and I'll show you how I do it. Also, it's a good time to note, I'll have the O2 sensor and the socket in the description below from Amazon. So if you're not in a hurry and you want to order that, that'd be awesome. Also, if the video helps you, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see some more content, and comment on it, man. See if we can't spread it around a bit. For removal, we're going to use this style of O2 sensor socket. So this is small enough to fit up in there and give you room to attach a ratchet. So it's a 7/8 or a 22 millimeter with a little slot and this little spot for a 3/8 ratchet. Easy peasy. All right, so my plan 1 is to try and use this super stubby flex head 3/8 ratchet on the socket and see if I can't break it loose.
A few moments later.
All right, plan 2 is how we did this. So you see I put the socket facing that way, came in through here, and you ratcheted it up top right here through this wheel well hole. All right, now we gotta get unplugged. All right, let me get this nightmare on video. All right, so I reached up from all the way back here by the drive shaft on top to get to that plug. The depressor is on the back side, so this faces forward, and this little depressor depresses like that, and that comes in just like that. So we pulled it apart, it took 2 of us, and now we are free. Time to put the new one in. All right, quick interjection. I forgot to mention this whenever I was doing the job last night, but the O2 sensor that I'm using is the Motorcraft OEM replacement. I have used Bosch sensors 4 times, I think, previously, and they're 0 for 4 on working. NGK, I have had good success with, so I'll put a link to both. You can also find NGKs and Motorcrafts probably at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, any of those places. We ordered ours off Amazon though, so link will be in the description. But yeah, these are the sensors that you need to use. All right, there she is, swapped and Dunsky. Swapped assistance again. So good. Cross your fingers that you have any of the other 3 O2s go out other than that one. But it wasn't terrible. Just lots of jamming your arm into places it won't fit.
And Skeeter's like your ankles.
Yeah, right. So after this, you just clear the codes and good to go.